Welcome to Excel4Tally. In this video, we will see the steps on how to purchase the templates on Excel4Tally. Search for our Excel4Tally website on your browser. You can register try free or sign up if you are a new user. You can directly sign in with your registered email and password if you are already our existing customer. This is the home interface of our software where you will see all the templates including e-commerce, multi-currency, etc. You have two options for each templates, try free and buy. By clicking on try free option, you can use our trial version in which you can process your 5 records. For further details on how to import your data into Tally by using Excel4Tally, you can refer our YouTube videos on our Excel4Tally channel. By clicking on Buy option of the required templates, it gets added to your cart. You can buy multiple templates and make payment together as required. After adding the templates to cart, click on Proceed to Checkout to check out your templates. Give the required number of months for each templates. If you want to add an annual subscription, you can directly click on Add Annual Plan to Cart. Once your months are checked, then click on Continue to Checkout. This will take you to the purchase order confirmation page where your name, state, etc. are filled. If you are purchasing the template for annual subscription, in that case you will be provided promo code of 50% discount from Excel4Tally, which you can get by contacting us on our support number. Once the promo code is entered and applied, the discount amount will be reflected on your total amount. Then proceed to payment, which is the last step in purchasing the templates. In this final step, you can pay your money by the multiple payment methods. Once your payment is done, the buy and try free option of your purchased template will disappear and you will get process records option and expiry date of the template. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.